Committee on Tribe and Unity, Kotu Sadar Hill, Kangkok Pina, Tha Sigitara Truk Hing Noyai, the National Highway number 2, Impal Dimapur, Lambi Pering Satarakiba, Pung Humdragni Togi Total Shutdown, Nashishmo Pung Fan Satari, Pung Humdragni Togi, Total Shutdown, Maram Orega, Lambi Pering Ashida, Makal Amati, Gari Sing Chen Kide, Lambi Pering Asigi Tongan from Sinda, Total Shutdown, Sogot Pasina, Lambi Tok to Lambi Timbuki Tabak Satari, Tongan Lambi Pering from Karadana, Tayana Sing Batamduna, Lambi Thingli, Dukal Sing Tongloli, Katil Sing Kanadri, Lanai Amasung, Lengaki, Ebaloi Sing Tonglon Ki, Loyana Mahilo Sing Punamak Tonglonduna, Lady, Adumoinamak Satraliva, Pung Humdragni Toyeba, Total Shutdown, Ashda Palm, the Toksing Tok Polatry, Security Force Mikey Digisu Palm, the Toksing Toksanavak and Mamong Session Torang locally. Adumoina Pung Humdrain to Total Shutdown Manungda, Medical Servicing the Komfoki, Kongjang Asigamayana, Kotugajan Secretary, Lanmilun Sing Sitnaiki, Houses and Silva Kongjang Asigi Matanga, Central Langana, Trumatam the Miang Sangadavani, Central Langaki, Mikey Digi. Kukizo Singi, Mikey Digi, Kukizo Sing the Kundariba, Manunghan the Kunsinda, Central Forcing Mapung Fananga, Selaliba, Sitagat Ningaine, Lorena political solution, Amapuroknava, Central Langana, Kienogi Musingatasi, Kungatrukta, Unadawari, Sanagan Habasi, Kukizo Kamuti Taram the way, Amasung, Unava Aduna, House, where we Rangasimatan, the political solution, Amapurokani Habitat Patazavali Haina, Fongdokre.
Kotu 72 hours total shutdown begin from midnight of 16 July, and all business and educational institutions, government and private offices were shut down, and all vehicular movements were halted, and it will be continued till midnight of July 19th. And Committee on Tribal Unity expressed our satisfaction to the central government for timely intervention by deploying all center forces in the peripheral areas of the Kukizo villages, and also appreciate for pursuing the Kukizo political talks with the representatives UPF and KNO on the 26th of this month. And we hope that the central government will address the Kukizo political problems and give immediate solutions in the form of separate administrations.